Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode in the Wall Street Journal mobile app. Let's get started. First, unlock the phone and tap on the Wall Street Journal app to open and make sure you are logged into your account. Now look at the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on the little gear icon or profile. In the settings, scroll until you see appearance, theme or dark mode. Tap on it. You will see three choices: light, dark or match system. If you want the app to always stay in dark mode, select dark. If you want it to switch automatically depending on your iPhone settings, choose match system. Once you select a dark mode, the background will turn dark with light text, making it much easier on your eyes. And that's it, you have successfully enabled dark mode in the Wall Street Journal on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.